This is my voice 1 week without making a YouTube video. This is my voice 2 weeks without making a YouTube video. What's up, guys? This is what 5 months without making a YouTube video sounds like. Oh my god, downstairs making so much noise. Stop it! Oh my god, I actually stopped. I swear this happens every video. Whenever I do it, there's always some issue. So yeah, what's up, guys? It's Nathan, and I'm not going to say I'm back because this could last like so quick and I could be gone again. And you might not see me for another 6 months. Hope you had a great new year and a very Merry Christmas. Hope Santa brought you everything you wanted. What is it now? I've basically been hooked on Red Dead Redemption 2 and TikTok compilations, so that's where I've been. So this video is about denim customization. If you're a long-time subscriber, you'll remember probably years back, or a year or so back, I made a denim jacket customization video, which is my second best performing video on the channel, and it just did really well. But it's not long since I watched it, and to be honest, a lot of the things I did in that video, not many people could actually do without the necessary machinery and software and stuff. So I thought I wanted to do a new video just because I was already doing some denim customization and tell you how I'm doing this one. So today I'm going to be showing you how to customize denim jeans, more specifically basically copy illustrations off the internet. So I've actually been doing some denim customization at the minute, more specifically on a pair of jeans, and I thought I'd show you how I've been doing it because it's not something I've done before, and I've definitely not done it in this way. So I thought I could teach you whilst I'm learning myself. So what you're going to need to do these jeans is definitely a light wash denim. You can't do it on raw denim, black denim. You're going to need like bare, like white, pale blue jeans, the ones that like are in fashion at the minute, the vintage look ones. Right, so for this customization, the things that you're going to need are basically pens, pencil, ruler, and Photoshop. So in this case, I've just used your standard pencil with an eraser on the end. Actually, you will need an eraser or some form of rubber at the end. I don't know why I found that. And then you're going to want one of these fine liner black permanent markers. This thickness is F because you get different thicknesses and different styles, but this one's a super thin black permanent marker. Use that for outlines. And then I just bought these really cheap bunch of different colours of permanent marker. They're okay, they've worked well. You got some bleed off them, but it's not been too bad. Remember, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please remember to drop a like, and if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to try and get into doing more videos, so please give me a chance. So what you're going to want to do to start off is lay your jeans out onto a flat surface, because you don't want your pen to be going all over the place over bumps and stuff, so definitely don't do it on your floor, unless it's a wooden floor. Just do it on a flat, hard surface. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a pencil and lightly draw a square onto your jeans, and then cut it into a 3x3 grid. So you're going to end up with 9 squares. It's basically a technique we used to use in school where we used to be able to enlarge smaller images and blow them up onto big canvases. Because doing this allows you to concentrate on each part of the grid. It basically gives you a more accurate representation of what you're trying to draw than just by doing it by eye. So I really suck at doing things by eye. So doing it this way makes it easier for me to concentrate my efforts on certain parts of the image without just doing it willy-nilly and fucking up some jeans, basically. And then once you've done that, you want to basically replicate this 3x3 grid you've just drawn on your jeans with pencil onto your computer. So using software like Photoshop, you can easily create a 3x3 grid using rulers. And once you've created your 3x3 grid on Photoshop, you're just going to take whatever image you want. In this case, I'm doing Daffy Duck from the Looney Tunes. I think this method works best with cartoon characters, Adventure Time, Simpsons, Cartoon Network style, simple illustrations. You're not going to be able to draw the Mona Lisa on your jeans with a pencil, but just in case you thought you could, that isn't a tutorial for this. But yeah, once you've done that, you're pretty much ready to go. Now, what I'd suggest and why you've chose a light pair of jeans is just so that the pencil shows up, everything just shows up so much better, but also because you're going to get more vibrant colours and everything's just going to look a lot brighter. Whatever's on your screen, whatever's in certain parts of the grid, you're going to obviously replicate over to the jeans. Do this with a pencil, don't go all out, and then once you've managed to transfer it as best you can, remember you can rub things out and just redraw it, it's totally fine. But yeah, once you've done that and you've got your outline down and you're happy with it, get out your fine liner, black permanent marker and start doing the outlines. Now, to make sure the lines are as clean as possible, make sure that the jeans are tightly spread, I guess, so that you're not getting any creases or anything like that, and just start drawing around. But don't draw like little bits like this, because they're not going to be like smooth lines doing it like that. Try and get as smooth one line as possible, basically, if you get what I mean. I feel like it's not hard to explain, but I feel like I'm explaining it bad. And once you've got your outline down, that's that. And then after this, you get to add colour. So in this case, it's not exactly hard. Any white areas that are in the cartoon characters that I've been drawing, like Daffy, such as his eyes, I just leave because the denim's light enough to imply that it's white area anyway. Obviously Daffy's probably a pretty bland example in terms of colour, because it's just black and yellow, black and orange. So yeah, we just crack on with that. Once you've done that, depending on like how heavy it is, I don't think it'll take long to dry. Just make sure it is dry before you start rubbing things out. So just get your rubber off your pencil and just start rubbing the lines out, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot more stress than I've implied, because it does take a long time to do this. At least for me it has, and it's took me quite a few sittings to get it done, but we've finally done it, and I'll show you the result now. Right, now that you've seen the jeans, I don't know what you think. I don't know whether you think they're good or bad. I really like them. Obviously, they're not for me. Tickles, what are you doing, darling? Oh yeah, by the way, guys, you haven't seen this cat. Come here. Oh, oh, oh. Salem, how's it going, my G? So now that you've seen the jeans, let me know in the comments below what you think of them. Would you buy them? Please buy them. Someone please commission me to do a pair. No, but seriously, let me know in the comment section below whether you like them, dislike them, hate them, hype beast, blah, blah, blah. Let me know what you think. I do really like them, but I would say that is totally fine and biased. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I just thought after the last denim customization video that probably not many people can do, including myself. So after the last denim video, I wanted to do something a bit more like able to do by a lot more people. I realised the last video is a bit, you need this, you need that, and even I don't have access to those things anymore, so it's completely irrelevant. Hopefully this video bangs as much as the last one did, because I feel like this one is a much easier to follow, better tutorial, and I think the final thing is much more accessible to a lot more people. And remember to smash that like button. Sorry guys. And if you enjoyed, remember to smash that motherfucking like button and press subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, because you may see them once more. But we'll see. No promises. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're all doing well, and peace.